Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss about a very interesting concept which is create columns. Usually when you are dealing with data frames, there might be a situation wherein you have to create a calculation so that you can create a new columns. So I'm just taking the sales.csv already uploaded. I'm just importing pandas and loading this data. Once I load this data, you can clearly see what are the different columns you have, right? So we have a sales, quantity, discount, profit, etc. So now I just want to find the total cost by subtracting sales minus profit. So basically, I have to create a new column, right? So I'll just call data.log colon comma. So I'm creating a new column called as a total cost. So which is equal to, how do you create? So this total cost is calculated by subtracting your sales. So try to fetch the sales column minus fetch the profit column. Data.log colon comma profit. Usually whenever you want to create a columns, we use basic operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and we create a new column. See, total cost. Done. I'll just print the data and let me show you the total cost created. Can you see? This is a total cost wherein we got difference between sales and a profit. It's kind of revenue kind of thing, right? Yeah. So similarly, what if you want to find the profit margin? Formula is given. It should be profit by sales into 100. So I'm just creating a new column, data.log colon comma. My column name is profit margin, which is equal to, it's a profit by sales. So let's use a bracket and I'll just call data.log. Let me try to fetch a profit column. Profit divided by data.log colon comma sales, so into 100. So this basically gives you profit margin. You want to see? So just call data. You will be able to see the profit margin. Can you see total cost, profit margin, right? So similarly, what if you want to calculate the discounted price after applying a discount? Okay, so very simple. So I'm creating a new column which is data.log colon. So it should be discounted price, right? My column is going to be discounted price, which is equal to, I'm going to fetch a sales column first, data.log sales, okay, multiplied with 1 minus data.log, you have to fetch a discount column. So we have a discount column, okay, done. So this basically gives you discounted price. Let me fetch your data and let me show you the result. Can you see? This is how usually we create a different columns, new columns by performing basic arithmetical operations according to the given business case or according to the given data set. So you can use basic operators and you can try to create a columns, something like this. I hope it's clear. Thank you. Happy learning.